Je suis chaud.
If you're learning French, you might be saying things that sound very awkward, like this one. Je suis chaud.
Hi, I'm Emily. Today, we're going to fix 10 common French mistakes learners make. By the end, you'll sound like a real French speaker and avoid embarrassing slip-ups.
Don't say je suis chaud unless you mean, well, something very different.
Instead, say j'ai chaud to mean I'm hot, meaning the temperature. Remember, French adjectives change with gender. If you're male, say
Je suis fatigué.
If you're female, say
Je suis fatigué.
literal translations from English. Don't say,
Je suis plein.
that sounds weird. Say,
J'ai assez mangé.
you don't always need.
Très.
Sometimes just
Je suis content.
is perfect. Or, for excitement,
Je suis ravi.
works better. Instead of saying,
Bien sûr.
every time, try.
Évidemment ou naturellement. Confusion entre prendre et amener. Amener,
Means bring people.
Prendre.
Means taking objects. Adjectives change with gender.
un beau garçon mais une belle fille. Overusing merci beaucoup.
Don't say merci beaucoup every time. A simple merci or merci bien is enough. Misusing depuis. Depuis is for something continuing from the past. For example, j'apprends le français depuis 2 ans. Watch out for false friends. Actuellement means currently, not actually. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Tell me in the comments. I love reading your stories.